Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our bunny slope workout number 20. This is the last workout in the series. We're doing 3 rounds for time. There are 5 different exercises. So get ready, get your dumbbells ready, and let's do this. So we're gonna start with the first exercise, which is gonna be curtsy lunge to squat, and we're doing 20 reps alternating. Ready? And go. Curtsy lunge. Now in the middle, squat. You can do a little curl with the dumbbells, and then towards the other side, another curtsy lunge. And squat in the middle with a curl. That's 2. Now let's pick up the pace. 3, 4, keep the weight on your heels. 5, don't round your back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we're almost there, 17, keep your chest up, 18, 19, and last one, and that's 20. Okay, next exercise is gonna be side lunge to bend over a row. So it looks like this. You're gonna push your hips back, keep your back straight, lunge to the side, do not roll the ankle, make sure your foot is flat on the ground, and keep your back straight. Then you're gonna do a row, and then push off of this heel, stand up, and then switch sides. So we're doing 20 reps again, alternating. Ready? And go. Push your hips back, keep your back straight, row, stand up, and other side. 2, 3, do not kink your neck like this or like this. 4, keep your neck neutral. 5, squeeze your shoulder blades together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Third exercise is gonna be squat to balancing overhead press. So bring your dumbbells up just like this, feet about shoulder width apart. You're gonna push your hips back, keep your back straight, and try to get with your butt as low as possible below your knees. And then as you stand up, you're gonna push off of the heels and then shift your weight towards one leg and then press the dumbbells overhead. You're just balancing like this, and you're using your core muscles. So it's really good for your core, your abs. You're gonna squat down again, and now shift your weight towards the other leg. And we're doing again 20 reps alternating. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, lock your elbows. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, now get down onto your exercise mat and we're gonna be doing Santana push-ups, and you can do them off of your knees. So, hands directly underneath your shoulders, cross your ankles, and we're gonna do the push-up. So bend your elbows, bring your chest as close to the ground as possible, push up. Now get into the plank, engage your abs, and then go into the side plank and raise your arm up, look up, line up your chin with your shoulder, and then back down onto your knees. Again, cross your ankles, engage your lower abs, push your hips forward. Push up into the plank, now the other side. Again, look up, and that's 2. And we're doing 10 reps alternating. Plank and side plank. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That's 10. Okay, now we're gonna do hollow scissors. So you're gonna lay on your back and keep your shoulder blades off of the ground, palms up, and you're gonna be crossing your legs. 1, 2, 3. Stay like this, and then do a leg lift. And that's 1 rep, and we are doing 20 reps. So get ready. You can pick up the pace if you want to get through this really fast. So 1, 2, 3, leg lift. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, shoulder blades off of the ground. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, get up, grab your dumbbells, and we're gonna go back to the first exercise. As you can notice, this workout is a little more intense than the previous ones in the series. That's because they are getting progressively harder, and that's exactly what we need to create some change. So, curtsy lunge and squat. Another side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, next exercise is the side lunge bent over a row. Again, 20 reps alternating. Ready? Step out to the side, keep your back straight, push your hips back, row. Push off of the heel, stand up. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's last one. Okay, now squat to overhead press, balancing on one leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Now, get down onto your exercise mat and we're doing the Santana push-ups. Get onto your knees and let's do kneeling push-up and side plank. Look up and back onto your knees. Another side. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Don't be afraid to sweat. 6. It should feel hard for you. It shouldn't feel easy. 7. If it feels easy, it's not gonna give you any more benefits. 8. 9. 10. That's 10. Lay on your back. Okay, scissors. 1, 2, 3, and then keep your legs crossed and then do a leg lift. Okay, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And that's 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You should feel a nice burn. 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, you can bring your knees towards your chest and breathe and relax. Are you ready? Let's do the last round in this workout. Okay, get up, grab the dumbbells, and we're 16 minutes in. That's a good time. So let's finish the last round. It's gonna be a good workout for you. Curtsy lunge, squat, and curl. Another side. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, now side lunge to bend over row, 20 reps alternating. Push your hips back, keep your back straight, row, 1, other side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, now we're gonna do the squat and balance overhead press. Whew. Ready? Squat down, press overhead on one leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, on the ground, Santana push-ups. Okay, onto your knees, push up, side plank, and look up. Push up, Side plank towards the other side. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That's 10. Okay, now lay on your back. We're doing the last exercise for your abs. Shoulder blades off of the ground the whole time. Legs off of the ground and go 1, 2, 3. Leg lift. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Keep it going. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. And we're done. Okay. Get up. Look how much I'm sweating after this beginner workout. Just to let you know, because this was the last workout in the bunny slope series, I'm gonna, from now on, I'm gonna dedicate Wednesdays for my warriors. We're gonna be doing Warrior Wednesdays, and those days are gonna be dedicated to difficult exercises. I'm gonna help you with all these difficult exercises that I do in the Z Gym for you to start practicing them and get really good at them. So we're gonna talk about pull-ups, push-ups, pistol squats, double unders, all of those difficult exercises, challenging exercises we're gonna talk about, and I'm gonna show you how to progress and how to get really good at those and how to train at home. So check out next Wednesday, Warrior Wednesday, on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any new workouts or diet tips and fitness tips or fashion hauls. And I will see you guys soon. Ciao.